Yo mga kabayan! Welcome back to Kabayan Connect! Ako po si Wana, still vibing with you from Dubai, straight to your Spotify playlist.
And I'm Pedro, and you're listening to Episode 10 celebrating National Indigenous Peoples Month. This October, we spotlight our roots, our heritage, and the timeless wisdom of our Katutubo brothers and sisters across the Philippines.
At ang theme this year, pagkilala sa nakaraan, pagpupugay sa kasalukuyan, pangangalaga para sa kinabukasan. Basically, we're talking about owning our past, honoring the present, and protecting our future.
Before hashtags and filters, we already had vibes. Our indigenous communities were the OG storytellers, architects, and scientists of the islands. They mastered living with nature long before eco-friendly became a trend.
Truly, from the Ifugao rice terraces that look like Earth's own art installation, to the Tiboli Tinalak weaves born from dreams, to the Maranao Okir carvings that symbolize grace and strength, all this prove Filipino creativity is ancient, authentic, and alive.
Speaking of culture that hits different, did you catch the Museo sa Consulado exhibit at the Philippine Consulate General in Dubai? It featured Larry Mirasales' Mukha ng Kultura series, ballpoint pen portraits of our indigenous brothers and sisters from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Ang daling promise. Each portrait captured a story, wrinkles that tell of wisdom, eyes that remember rituals, and faces that carry centuries of strength. The artworks were previously exhibited by the National Commission for Culture and the Arts in Manila and now found a new home here in Dubai to remind us na kahit malayo tayo, bit-bit natin ang ating ugat. Naalala ko nung nakilala ko yung isang Mangyan elder sa Mindoro. Sabi niya, ang kultura parang ugat ng puno. Hindi mo nakikita, pero dyan nanggagaling ang lakas. That line stays rent-free in my head.
Same! When I met a young Talaandig artist in Bukidnon, sabi niya, art is for memory because every song, every weave, every ritual is a form of remembering. And through them, we remember who we are as Filipinos, wherever we go.
Question: why talk about indigenous peoples in 2025? Easy answer: because representation isn't a trend. It's a responsibility. We can't move forward as a nation if some voices get left behind.
Alam mo, tama yan. To know our roots is to respect our shared story. When we lift up our indigenous communities, we don't just honor the past, we strengthen the future.
Start small. Follow local indigenous artists, support authentic crafts, and amplify their work online. Your likes and shares can keep their stories alive.
And talk about it sa school, sa barkada, sa online spaces. Culture is alive when it's passed on, not locked in a museum, but living in our daily conversations.
In the end, being Filipino is about carrying our roots with pride. The beat of the gongs, the patterns of our weaves, the language of our elders.
Mga kabayan, stream this episode and the rest of the series on Spotify. Let's keep our roots alive, loud, proud, and connected. Because in our roots, we find our future.
And that's it for today's
Kabayan Connect.
Ako po si Wana,
At ako po si Pedro.
kaya dapat laging konektado, laging kabayan. Tatak Katutubo, Tatak Pilipino.